Introducing the 2018 Ford Edge. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get into a mid-size crossover that knows how to make your life easier. This sleek Edge is loaded with powerful performance, smart tech, and features that optimize comfort and convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, multi-zone AC. See how luxurious sporty can be. Take this sleek Edge out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.